Close 10 a.m. 10 a.m. close. Waiting for 10 a.m. Waiting for 10 a.m. This can be the low of the opening day range, and that could be the high. This is the aging low that he just took. He just took out the lows right here, the aging lows. A15 right here, boom, took them out. See what he wants to do now. I believe we're trading at premium. Down here is discount. This is equilibrium of the range. Right here. This price line right here is the equilibrium of the range. I'm waiting for it to see if he wants to come here to go up, because we have London highs not taken. This I don't like this as a high. Let's see what happens. Waiting for 10 o'clock to close. 10 o'clock we'll look for a trade. Right now, in regular trading hours, market just came down and filled in the gap that it made at 9:30. It made the opening day gap, and it just filled it in right here. Now we look for our first percent of fair value gap of the day. We look for it after 9:30. This is 9:30 here. Right here, that's your first percent of fair value gap. Right here. Okay. So as the first percent of fair value gap of the day. It's making the close of the hourly close right now. So this is gonna be our low of the opening day range, and this is gonna be our high of our opening day range. So now we wait. We wait for what? We wait for C if he wants to take out the low here first and give me a reversal going to take out the high. If it's 957, it's closing near the low. So if it's gonna continue going down, it's gonna come down, then reprice to here and then go down. Reprice to the low that he just broke and then go down. So either way, we're waiting to 10:30 to take a trade. If you don't get an entry by 10:30, guess what? You're not trading today. Those are rules, and you gotta keep them. If you don't keep your rules, you're always gonna be negative, or you're always gonna be in break-even mode, or even lose money, even lose accounts. So you gotta have rules, and your rules you gotta keep them, because this is you're your own boss. So if you're your own boss, you gotta do whatever you gotta do, right? So your mind's gonna tell you, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do. No, you have to be patient and have rules. So now, I used to trade at 9:30. I'm not trading at 9:30 anymore. I'm trading at 10 to 11. If I don't get anything from 10 to 11, my day's done. I don't trade after 11. And if I'm home, cause I work. If I'm home, I'll trade at 2. I'll check out and move at 2 if I'm home. If I'm not home, I won't do anything. You need to be in front of your charts for you to take moves. Almost 10 o'clock. Thank you, Will, for liking my life. Because price can come up. Price can come up. Take out this highs here. There's high here, high here. That's buy stops. Filling the imbalance and then drop and not even go up here. See, like I'm speaking about it and it's going up. Now we wait. We wait for what? We wait for it to take out a lower high. He has to take one of them out before moving to the next one. Or moving towards wherever he wants to go. He has to take one of them out. This move here did not break anything to the upside. Here, see? Hasn't breaking anything to the upside here, so I wouldn't be buying this right now. For me to buy this, it has to break this here to the upside without filling in the imbalance. Take it out, come back down, reprice to here, and then go up. Then I'll buy it. But if it doesn't take out this high right here, I won't buy it. This is intraday highs. Buy stops here, buy stops here. That's a swing high here. Meaning if this would have wanted to go up, it would have broken the swing high to the upside. It didn't. It came down. Let's see what it wants to do now. It can reprice to this candle here and drop. It can take out the highs here and drop. It can go all the way up here, take it out, and then drop. But this is not my move, so I'm not in it. It's not my trade. It's not what I look for. So I just wait. Patiently wait. This is what trading is about. In July, it's slow as hell too. These July movements are slow as my it's slow. Let's see how the volatility is. Let's see how this. Let's see. See this move right here. From here to here, it'll be like $150, $200 losing. Stop loss. To go up here, that would have been like $250, $300 when it's really moving. When the market's really moving. When there's volatility, when there's players out here. Well, we had news at 10 a.m. That's why he went up. That's why he did this at 10 a.m. Patiently wait for this to come down, go up, whatever it wants to do, but it needs to take one of them out before you take a trade. Nothing here telling me it's going up. This swing here did not take out a high with a fair value. It did not take out a high like this with a fair value up to the upside. It can do whatever it wants to do, and I don't give a shit. It's boring. It's boring as shit. This is the only part in July that I don't like. It's boring as fuck. It opened here and it's going up. That means it's making that what? The high of the hourly candle. So we're waiting to what? 10:30. Why? Because at 10:30, you'll make the high and it'll break market shift to the downside. If that's the high, that's when we look for a trade going down. 10:30. It's not up here by 10:30, then, and it's in here in the middle of the range. Then what are we gonna do? We do new. Welcome in, welcome in. Ask anything, ask anything. I'm waiting for 10 o'clock. I'm sorry. I'm waiting for market to tell me what he wants to do. Take out the low here to go up or take out the high here to go down. It has to give me something by 10:30. It has to give me something up in here. This is July boring music. This is July boring. July boring. Now he has one high, two highs, three highs, and an imbalance. And it's going inside the first percent of fair value gap. If he breaks it through, inverts it to the upside and get this high up here. It's boring Wednesday, my people. It's boring July. July boring. Move slow. Slow movement in July. Nothing we can do. I needed to break down, break up, whatever you want to do. Talk to me, my friend. Boring, boring July. Movements are slow. No trades yet. There's no trading for me right now. The market's trading right in the middle of the range of the opening day range. Is right in the middle. You don't know if he wants to go up or go down. So why are you trading? If you don't know if it's going up or down, you don't know if it's going sideways. You don't know nothing right now. You don't know what they want to do right now. I can see this swing high breaking to the upside. If it doesn't break down, it's going up to get this high. For me to buy, you needed to take out this high first, this low first. Take out low first and then go up. That's when I buy. Patience and your control be good. Your discipline helps you be in control and be patient. But you need to be patient. If you're not patient, you're gonna lose money. A lot of traders here right now are like on the breakout here. I'm buying. Okay, buy. That's fine with me. And now what? It's coming back down. What you gonna do now? Oh, it goes up. That's fine. That's fine with me. It doesn't matter. That's not my move. See? You bought this. Now what? Now what you gonna do? Bought this. Now you're scared. See? Now you're scared of shit. It's going down though. It's going down. This candle here just broke to the downside. This is a swing high here. Broke to the downside. No, it's not. That's not a swing high. This is a swing low. This is a swing high. A high with a higher high to the with a lower high to the left and a lower high to the right. That's a swing high. A swing low, it's a low with a higher low to the left and a higher low to the right. That's a swing low. I don't think we're gonna take a trade today, man. It's 10:12. You're holding them damn thing. By 10:30, I don't get nothing. I'm out. See, it's Wednesday, anyways. Wednesday. I think we have like a yellow FOMC at 2 o'clock, which is nothing. Yellow flag. Jeez Louise. Give me something by 10:30, my friend. Let's see, he wants to take this out right here to the downside. Take out the low. I think this is going down. I believe this fucker is going down. Taking out this low. If it makes a fair value gap here, we're strong. We're weak. He has to make a fair value gap here. Taking out this swing low here. If it doesn't make a fair value gap here, we're not that weak. Right there, that little itty bitty fair value gap right there. That's not coming back up. It's going to the middle of the equilibrium of the bigger range. From this high up here to this low here. This low here, the high here, this is equilibrium right here. Repricing back inside that little fair value gap. You see, not yet. This is a swing low that just broke. It looks like an inside candle. This guy's gonna stay inside this candle in here. He hasn't taken out the low or the high, so if it hasn't taken out the low or the high, I'm not trading. I'm not trading until it does. Now we went inside the fair value gap. When repriced to here, that's the swing high. Right here, it's making a swing high. But if this breaks to the downside here, we're going to take out this low. Even into equilibrium. See how he didn't break this high to the upside? He didn't break it. What did he do? He left relative equal highs. From here to here, relative equal highs. This could be a failure swing and just gonna come out, take out the low and then go back up. That's why I'm not looking for a trade until it takes out the low. For me, he has to take out the low for me to buy. Takes out the low, breaks to the upside. If it doesn't do that, then I'm not trading. I ain't losing money for. I'm not giving them money just because. You don't know what he wants to do here. People bought this thinking it's going up, and look what happened. It's over here now. That's why you don't buy, you don't sell before it takes one of them out. Let's take out this high here, this low here, or take out that high. It's near this low, so I'm waiting for it to take out this low first before going up to take out that high. And that's it. And if it doesn't, it doesn't, and then I don't trade, and that's it. There we go. Take out that low. Take it out, baby. Take out that low. Take it out. When he takes out the low, it's gonna tell me. It's gonna tell me if he wants to continue going down or he's gonna come back up. Now it's gonna tell me, watch. Am I going back down or am I going back up? Am I continue going down or am I going back up? This is equilibrium of the range, the bigger range. So I'm thinking it's coming here. Another fair value gap taking out the low. This candle here, undecisive candle, take it out. Put this one here, and you have your fair value gap. Come to equilibrium. Come on. If this is a fair value gap here, once it comes up here, we're selling. Once it comes and reprices into here, we're selling. price to come back up here. Don't worry about it. Come on. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Fine, let it go. No, you didn't lose money, right? Come to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. This is not a low. Come on. Come to me. I'm waiting for it to come and reprice to the low of the opening day range. I'm in a sell. I'm in a sell. break to the downside. Break to the downside right here. Drop that bitch. I needed to stay underneath equilibrium to go down here. This line here is equilibrium of the range. In the 4 hour, I already filled in this bottom imbalance here, and it's dropping. This is a lonely low here. Didn't take anything out. Daily bottom imbalance underneath the market. It's not gonna be there today, and it's not about that. It'll get there, but it's gonna get there slowly. This candle here needs to be broken to the downside. This is a low, but it didn't take out this low, so I'm not worried about it. $10.35. Took out the low. Accumulation. Down. If he takes out the low, back into the range, up. Takes out the low, back into the range, goes up. Takes out the low with a fair value gap, accumulation, down. Learn. Write that shit down. Hit that screen, share my live. People to come down, learn, make money. That's what we gotta do. See? That's what we gotta do. Take out the low with a fair value gap. Fair value gap, that means we're weak. Takes out the low, fair value gap weak. Takes out the high, fair value gap strong. You don't want to see highs. If you're bearish, you don't want to see highs taken out. You want to see lows taken out, and the highs get respected. The highs get respected, the lows are taken. This high got taken, that means it took out buy stops. Boom. Took out the high, and what did it do? Back into the range. What did that mean? Down. This right here took out the low, and it stayed down here with a fair value gap. What that means? Damn. What's this right here? Swing low. Taken to the downside. Now it has to accumulate here and down. Let's do this, my boys. And in the higher time frames, like I've said it since last week in the daily. The daily I've been telling you since last week. Broke to the downside since June 30th. Oh no, I'm sorry. Since June 23rd. Broke into the downside here. We broke to the downside, breaking this swing low here. It's okay that it went back up here. Why? Because it has to fill in this fair value gap here, reprice to this candle here, then drop. And it's in the middle of the range here. From this low to this high is in the middle of the range. But in the daily bottom of the market, you have a bottom imbalance here that hasn't come to refill, to balance out. It's not balanced right there. It's not balanced. See, there's not, bodies did not touch. So price might come down here to fill in that, or either continue going down or turning back around and going up. But it has to come down here, inside here. Inside that volume imbalance. Let's get back to our trade. If it makes a pullback, we don't need this no more. There's a whole bunch of shit on my chart. We don't need that no more. This one you can use it to do this. You don't want price to come up here and cross this up to the upside. That you can still leave it there. This fucker we can take out. And that's my limits. So because market is all the way down here, I took out this low with a fair value gap. You know what? This is now gonna be a free trade for me. My stop loss now it's at plus $8. Plus $8, so I don't lose a dime. But let's put it plus 16, because if it comes up here, take it this out, it's gonna take out that motherfucker out. So, but I don't think it's gonna come back all the way up here. Then it could, it could, because it hasn't repriced to the low of. But it's in a hurry. I think it's in a hurry. I think it's just gonna drop like a mother. Can you guys hear me? You can hear me, right? Can you write there yes or no? Yes, you can hear me. Oh shit. What's going on with my Wi-Fi, man? It's gold. I told you it's in a hurry.